Hey y'all, I just got on today because I'd like to share with you the Libby app that you can use to read patterns from the library, and it doesn't have to cost you a thing as long as you have a library card. So you just go on to your search engine, type in Libby, it will bring up Libby app, and then you will find that link for Libby, libbyapp.com. Now, when mine opens up, it's going to open up to my account. What you'll do the first time is go on there and it will ask you where your library is. And you could just put in the number that you have on your library card, and then it will let you choose things that your library online has available to you. So I went on to the magazine rack and found Quilter's Companion. So if you like to read the magazine, you can click on it. That brings down that tray, and you can click left to go to the beginning. And when you get to the beginning, you can click on a number, and then that should take you to the page of that article. So this just happens to be the magazine that I was interested in looking at right now. It just had so much eye candy. It was really, really cool. And it has patterns in here. And I'm going to attempt to go ahead and print one, if I can get to that page. And this is an amazing magazine. So here's this. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to right click on it, and it has an option for me to print. And then the preview will show me if that's the page that I want to print, if I'm capable of doing it. Now, keep in mind, I have on my computer right now, I have this program open so that I can record. And so it's not showing it, but I imagine if I didn't have my computer doing quite so much at one time, I might be, I might actually be able to print it up. I'm having issues with printing anyway, so, but in the past, I have actually gone on to website and printed pages from magazines. I just think part of the problem is that I'm having trouble with my printer right now. So anyway, if your printer is working well, you could even print up pages. But if you can't print up pages, the truth of the matter is if you go on this website and use your tablet, you don't even need to print anything and spend money on printer ink. You can just use the tablet, and you can even take pictures of parts of the directions that you really just want to be able to reference quickly. You can take pictures of them with your phone, and you could look it up anytime you feel like it. So that's a shortcut I do. I also had mentioned in my last video that you can also donate quilting rulers to the library. Now, I know not every library has a crafting area. I'm fortunate the one here in Leonardtown does have an area where you can do tons of crafts. I mean, you name it, and they even have a 3D printer in there. So the options are pretty wild. But if you don't have the opportunity to donate your quilting rulers that you're no longer going to use to a library, you could check with anywhere that's going to be using them. Like it could be, for example, if there's a quilters guild in your town that meets close by, you could find out when they meet. And if you were to show up there with some quilting rulers that you wanted to donate, they would be very happy to take them. So I hope this helps. Enjoy the rulers that you have, pass on the ones you don't. Enjoy the Libby app. I was just looking up quilting magazines, but you can just imagine the world of information that's available for free just by having a library card. Take advantage of it. Hope this helps. Keep smiling.